This video is going to showcase all of the features of the RPG inventory and equipment system. Key features include adding items, equipping items, a grid-based placement system capable of flip-flopping and supporting logic to stop placements that don't make sense. Deleting items, a full-featured stash for extra space, a comprehensive weapon equipment system and logic to support two-handed, one-handed, and dual-wielding weapons. Over 500 lines of code power this system to handle all cases for the typical RPG game. A reset button to delete all items and equipment. On the left, you can see a debugging panel that shows the back-end state for the player. This will show where each item is as you move it throughout the inventory, stash, and equipment. There is also a video included in this asset that walks through the code and explains at a high level how all of the system works.